work on DGP Monday. DGP Monday. We have 3 nouns, 1 adjective, 2 adverbs, 1 preposition, and 2 prepositions and 1 verb. Did I say 2 preps? It's only 1, right? There's only 1 preposition, 1 verb. What nouns did we find? Classroom is a noun. Okay, so is classroom just a normal? Okay. What kind of noun do we have for are then? You're right. First person possessive pronoun, because are is showing ownership, right? It is definitely in our pronoun list. And first person is are because it has me in it. Does that make sense? So first person possessive pronoun. Remember, POS stands for possessive, not point of sale or anything else. Point of sale is where you pay for your stuff with like a credit card or a tap or whatever you might use. Because I can't tell you what the other one is. No, there's no A in it. You'll have to ask your parents. All right. I might have implied that there was an emoji for it, but oh my goodness. All right. So what is our? You said it was our other noun. Okay, just a regular noun. It is not a possessive pronoun. It is a third person. It is not. It is a third person nominative pronoun. It's a third person nominative pronoun because it names something in our subject or names something in our sentence. Okay. It also it's third person because it is like he or she or they, right? It's something other than ourselves or you. All right. So now we have adverbs or verb? Adjectives. We have 1 adjective. We have 1 adjective. Focus. What do you got, Levi? Warm. Warm is our adjective. It usually is what describes my room. We won't have to worry about it being cold in here. It hardly ever is. You'll be okay. All right. So we have 1 adjective, and now we have 2 adverbs. What you got, Helena? Very good. Very and today are both adverbs. Very and today are both adverbs. All right, so we have 1 preposition. In is our preposition. In is our preposition. A preposition is a way to add. Preposition is a way to add detail in your sentence. So we could have said it's very warm today, right? We could have just said it's very warm today. But a preposition inserts more detail. It tells you exactly where something's going. It can give directions. Okay, so we said it's very warm, but we didn't know where it was very warm until we added in our preposition of in. Right. Correct. But we only know it's warm in our classroom because we added the preposition. Preposition, it could be it's very warm outside of our classroom. Correct. That would also be another preposition that would add to details. But in this case, outside. Yep. Outside of our classroom would add, actually, of would be our preposition. Outside would be an adverb. But as you add to our sentence, you simply just add more details so that you understand. Correct. It is actually describing one thing in relationship to another. That's why the idea of direction works. So they always, people typically use is a cat in relationship to a chair. A cat can be in a chair. A cat can be in a chair. A cat can be on a chair. It can be under a chair. Yes. Yep. And if you think of how you can add description to what the cat is doing, it's a preposition. It is a noun in this case because we're actually talking about our classroom. And we're also talking about it. Which brings us to our last point, our verb. Our verb is what? It is not a helping verb. What is it? It's a linking verb, past, present, or future. It is present. It is. So remember that, or think of it's this way, and this is where you can get thrown for. It's without an apostrophe. It's without an apostrophe. It's showing possession. It's with an apostrophe is the word it is. So the way you want to think of this it is, can I say, it is very warm in our classroom today? Can I say that and it makes sense? Yeah. So also keep in mind when you do Tuesday, you can't keep it and is together because you can't draw your lines without it. So you may have to divide your word up. Cool. Questions? Tuesday gets a little tricky. Remember, you have Tuesday to do tomorrow. I will post a video later for you, but I don't want to just post a video and have you, I don't know, maybe just copy the answers down from it.
It helps me learn. Oh my God.